How can you watch a recording of a class? I am recording our sessions when we meet, and I want to give you access to those recordings. So, to find what I said in class, go over to the web conferencing, and the menu will open. At the, let me move my screen a bit. At the top, there are three lines, and when you put your cursor over it, it will say menu. You open that. You'll see that there is a tab for recordings. You'll open that, and then you'll go to the class session that you want to view, and you can select it and then watch it. And hopefully I will become more skillful, learn where to put my webcam to get a more flattering view of my face. And also, like I say, I will get more skillful as time goes on. But this way, at least you can go back. If you want to hear assignment directions, that will be available to you as well. I'm also going to be emailing you about your Flipgrid. Almost everyone was able to post. I was able to move the topics that were put in the place where you'll put your final one. So that has been done. And I look forward to seeing you again later this month.